You giving that cat such a hug? Missed the part where she was swinging around by his tail. Oh, you gonna do it again because you heard Mama? You don't miss a thing, do you, kid? Oh, poor kitty. Would you do that to Kenny? You wouldn't do that to Kenny, right? You wouldn't do it to Kenny. You're just to the toy, kitty.
Okay.
Just to the toy.
Okay.
Are you asking if the kitty's okay?
Eyes
Are his eyes open?
on.
His eyes are on a little bit.
Shut.
They're shut a little bit. You know what? That cat's called Grumpy Cat. Because he's kind of cranky pants. Yeah.
Shut.
Yeah. He's got a shirt on. You're right.
Yes.
He's okay?
Yes.
You washing him off? Okay. My girl. Hey, where's that dance you did for Dada before? The Nunu dance. Can you do the Nunu dance again? Remember the one you just did for Daddy when we were talking to him?
No news. No news. No, no, no.
Whoa!
No, no, no.
That was it. It had some arms in it. Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah?